Girl Game is coming to you from PS182 Cube Magnet School of Discovery and Applied Learning.
We are located in Queens, New York, one of the most diverse places in the world. Almost half of Queens residents were born outside the United States. More than 220 languages are spoken, and we have 91 distinct neighborhoods, each with its own culture and cuisine. Additionally, 130% more families are living in shelters now than 3 years ago.
Many families have come to Queens, New York from parts of Central America. They left their homes because it wasn't safe and they're staying in shelters while they get help. Many of our new friends come with unimaginable trauma from their experiences.
Our challenge was to design AI-driven systems to help different civilizations promote peace, understanding, and collaboration. We drew inspiration from our diverse community.
We brainstormed potential causes of conflict that may arise when unique cultures come together, and then used that information to develop our solution.
Here is our AI system, known as the Unity Machine, or Unity M for short. We drew inspiration from an ATM and transformed it to meet our needs. We coded a custom GPT to make this a working interface.
The Unity Machine features two programs. The language program brings people together who do not speak the same language and can teach them another language. You can communicate with anyone, resolve conflicts, or just have a conversation.
The therapy program is the heart of our solution. You can choose to sign in to the Unity Machine with a password, fingerprint, or face recognition. It will save your progress and continue to offer support with any problem you face.
You can also chat with the machine in guest mode if you do not want anything saved. We understand that privacy is important.
We code this program to speak like a therapist with a positive tone and respectful suggestions. It will direct you to the therapy hub if you need more help or you want to talk with a live person.
Our therapy hub has our Unity machines and different rooms. On the first floor, we have classes to teach languages, a library, a research center, and many interpreters to talk to you.
You can learn more about others' histories from our Unity Machine or choose a book from our research center. Show a book to the Unity Machine and it will be translated to any languages you need.
On the second floor, we have therapy rooms with therapists, counselors, and social workers. Our rooms include art therapy, animal therapy, and sleep therapy. We also have areas for groups and individual therapy.
Our therapy hub has two important programs, Restorative Circles and Margaret's Place. These two programs are run in our school, and we believe in their power.
Restorative circles are structured group discussions that promote empathy, accountability, and healing through open conversation. Circles help build community, resolve conflict, and repair harm. A facilitator guides the process, encouraging respectful listening and shared understanding.
Margaret's Place, created by Joe Torrey's Safe at Home Foundation, provides a safe space for students affected by trauma and violence. It offers counseling, violence prevention, education, peer leadership. We also want to bring together people from different cultures, religions, and cuisines to break bread. Celebrating and sharing our cultures can bring us closer together.
Breaking bread means sharing a meal with someone, but it also means more than just eating. It's a way to connect with others, build friendships, and show respect or peace.
Our food trucks offer cuisines from many different cultures. Our Unity machines are available to interpret any conversations you want to have.
We believe play is an essential part of relationships. When we play games or pretend with friends, we have to share, take turns, and listen to each other.
That means we start understanding other people's feelings, which is how we develop empathy. Of course, our inclusive play space is designed with our Unity Machine to help any communication or conflict.
When people come together with the help of coping skills and communication, we can all promote peace, understanding, and collaboration.
Thank you to all our teachers, families, and allies who helped us this season.
actions. Lights, camera, action. You could do lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action.
All right.
Lights.
That was loud.
Action. Lights, camera, lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action.
All right, Katana.
Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action.
Lights, camera, action. Lights. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action.
These two programs
Oh, no. You're good. You're coughing, but not on purpose.
Lights, camera, action. Lights. Camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Action? Yeah.
Yeah, action.
Okay, lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. Camera, action. Light, camera, action.
Hypothetically, if I didn't use the bathroom, which way do I go?
Hypothetically, I mean, do you actually want to use the bathroom, or do you just want to think about it?
Like, you want right now?
Then Kennedy will get up and he will say, "Excuse me," and go to his bathroom.
Then now I'm trying to have to say, excuse.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Chimpanzee bananini.
Now you have to do it again because you have to. Again, flipping the pages in the background makes noise. Put your script down. Down. Romina, it was beautiful. They were not beautiful. You go. Yeah, get all the coughing out.
Oh my god,
Okay, see? Extra. You're being extra. She's throwing up over here. Calm down. Okay, ready? 3.
Did you know that almost half of Queens residents were born outside the United States?
We might need to do that one more time because it's a very squeaky door. Okay, squeaky chairs and a squeaky door. All right, the did you know again?
Additionally, 130 more families.
We got to get the little, there's a percent. That's the percent sign. So we're going to say additionally 130% more. I should have written the word out. Can you go just from additionally? Start recording, then can I flip the camera? No! No! Boo!
I'm a
Boo!
turn around.
please.
Duh. Nashrat, you're so smart. Clean the lens.
Oh, that looks like a real video, like when people take cameras like that.
Right? This is gonna be your face. While you record.
You'll get 10 million hugs.
Without laughing. Yeah, because that's all I got is hugs. All right. Sure. Sorry, I want to read it.
3,
Go.
2,
You do.
1. Action. Our challenge was to design.
She made it in 1 second.
Organizations promote peace, understanding, and collaboration to develop our solution.
Okay.
We brainstormed.
You get like 5 laughs, and then you're gonna sit down, and you're gonna come back later.
Oh! Yeah! Here is our. Wait. I can't do it. Okay. Lights. Camera. Action. We drew inspiration from an ATM and transferred it to meet our needs.
Hold on, we didn't transfer it, we transformed it. Not that big of a deal. The table makes noise, the chair makes noise. Be quiet.
Okay.
All right, Kimberly, you're doing great. It's them.
Not me.
Hi, Miss Sosa. We're recording. You can come in. You're allowed. Yeah. You can come in, but once you're here, you can't leave, but you also can't make noise. So that might prevent you from doing what you need to do right now.
We coded a custom GPT we coded a custom GPT to make
The language program brings people together who do not speak the same language and can teach them another language. You can communicate with anyone, resolve conflicts, or just have a conversation.
Yeah, I'm like, why are you getting her my sweater?
You can choose to sign in to the Unity machine with a password, fingerprint, or face recognition. It will save your progress and continue to offer.
Yeah, that's not distracting at all, Kimberly. Just a little bit slower and less squeaky chair. Jasmine.
Sorry.
Just kidding. It's all of you. Was it me?
Yes.
Oh no, it was me.
It was you the whole time.
It wasn't me the whole time. I just
Can I
sat
keep
down.
these marbles?
On the first floor, we have classes to teach languages, a library, a research center, and many interpreters to talk to you.
These two programs are run in our school, and we believe in them. Sorry.
We were so close.
Can I keep these marbles?
No marbles. No. Slow down. You're telling a story. And don't talk like this. Don't talk like this. You gotta talk like this, like you're yelling at Kimberly.
Hey man, what's up?
Wait.
Okay. Are you good? Yeah. Okay.
When she says breaking bread, can I start chewing?
No, absolutely not. Okay. Sorry. They were making noise. Louder.
Breaking bread. That sounds like breaking bread.
Breaking bread, not breaking bad. No.
I'm getting
I said bad,
flashbacks
but-
to the pooper.
Breaking bread. All right. Go ahead, Melanie. Nice and loud. Breaking bread.
Come and share a meal and these are long words. Our Unity machines are unavailable to the
They are
Wait, can
available. They can't be unavailable. We
Wait,
need them to be
Wait,
available.
can I read this whole thing?
Yeah.
And like
You want to do the whole thing again?
sit down over there, honey. Welcome to the face scanner.
Kimberly doing the camera.
Jasmine, Sigma Jasmine. Yeah.
Sigma Jasmine, slay. Okay. Okay.
Why is this so zoomed out?
Ready?
Okay, yes.
Why are you zooming
Wait.
it out so much?
Okay. Well, Justice, I'm the camera lady, not you.
Well, the camera lady doesn't know how to do her job.
Ready?
Camera. Oh wait, I wasn't recording.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. This is it. You're getting the line, girl.
Thank you to all of our teachers, families, and allies who helped us this season.
Allies. Allies are, I don't know what, but ally means that an ally is somebody, I feel like I explain this every season, every year. An ally is somebody who helps you, but is not part of the group. Allies. All right, here we go.
So like aliens.
Ally. Yeah, ally. Allies.
It's my moment.
Yeah! All right, pretend like the credits are rolling and like point to it and be like, oh, I know her. Look at that. Wait, I don't see your faces though. You gotta like turn a little bit over there. Oh, look, oh my goodness, who's that? I know that person.